Okay, so right here, I made some noodles to help me stay warm in the winter. It's made from beef broth. Add a little bit of a sprinkle of onion powder and a sprinkle of garlic powder. Do not add too much, otherwise it would overwhelm your taste and give you bad breath. Add some parsley. Then you want to add a little bit of lime juice so you can balance the textures. You want to focus on textures and flavor. But if you do want to add a spicy flavor, add add a little bit of chili powder and a little bit of Caroline, the Caroline pepper. If you add those two powders, it will just by a little bit or a lot, depending on your taste, it will be really good. Then add a little bit of tahini while everything is boiling in the broth. While that's getting done, you want to make sure that all the juices are absorbed in the noodles. That's where the real flavor comes in. Then you start getting ready for your buffalo chicken bites. Get them ready, cut them to bits, like more than bits, than what they are. And then once everything is all done, you enjoy. I say that this is one of my greatest things that I would ever enjoy. Because you got yourself the glaze of the buffalo, you got yourself the perfect blend of noodles. Like, look at that. Look at that beauty. Now, to try it. And just as I suspected, what I did made it really delicious. Now, I would say that you want to go for a tiny sprinkle of the Caroline Reaper. And if you go gentle with it, you get yourself the perfect kick. But if you want to go aggressive and you're a spicy kind of person, that's all you. Besides, everyone has their taste. Even the even the even the people that are different. The Africans, the Mexicans, everyone. And I'm not judging them. Because for me, I'm okay with spicy foods. Just depends on how much, it has. But if you ever do want to try this, feel free. I'm not stopping you. You make it your way. And if you like this video, please like it by hitting the like button, clicking it, tapping it, pushing OK on it. Do whatever it fits you. And if you want to subscribe, do the same thing for the subscribe button. And yeah, it would help out a lot because I don't do much content, but I do try my best to keep things entertaining and share my thoughts about the world. And I want you to go and subscribe to another person, to my girlfriend, Emily. Her YouTube is Emily the Gamer 14, and she does a lot of fun videos. And how her videos could be better than mine, but I do most posts sometimes. Anyways, hope you all have a great one.